The weather outside is frightful. Seaside Heights. Seaside Heights, let's do it again. In the snow. It's snowing out here in Seaside Heights. Try and get a little bit of snow. Alright, yeah, snow is coming down. And this is what the boardwalk looks like in the snow. Hey, it's freezing out here. Freezing out here today. Check out the bay here. Calm so far. A lot of snow out there. Let's see. Foggy. Very foggy. A lot of snow, a lot of snow, a lot of snow. It's blowing all over the place now. Alright, let's see what the boardwalk looks like in the snow. Yeah, we got a little bit of snow, not too much here. Inch or so on the boardwalk. But it's bright and sunny out today. A little cool, 30 degrees. Icebergs. That's foam. Foam. Hey, it's cold out here. Here, Smokey. How you doing, Smokey? Don't run away now. You never get any good pictures of you, Smokey. Smokey, you pretty much live in this basement, huh? You're happy down here, aren't you? Water park coming soon. What's the matter? You don't like snow? Get out of here, anybody. Good. Come play in the snow. You're afraid of a little snow? Okay. It snowed Monday or Tuesday. I don't even remember now. Monday or Tuesday it snowed, and now today's Friday. We got more snow, but the previous snow all melted. But now we got new snow, but it's only like a couple inches here on the boardwalk. So we'll take a look around. Look around, see what it looks like. Not too much to see. Snow on the beach. Casino Pier Arcade closed today due to the snow. Snow on the boardwalk. At least it's a bright sunny day out here on the boardwalk. Little cool, a little cold. 38 degrees today. But hey, the sunshine looks like Lucky Leo's is closed. They've been closed all week. Anyway, snowstorm Monday and Tuesday, so this is hard to walk in. I better be careful. Quiet January day. Lucky Leo's is open. Almost time to uncover the pool. Spring's around the corner. Okay, honey buns, that's about it. Thanks for watching, everybody. That pretty much covers the blizzard of 2022.